This is the demolition excavator from Kabolite, K350-200. Originally all factory painting assembled. Now we have 3 in stock. Factory stock production, yeah, we still have 3 in stock. It is with 2 spare oil channels. So have hydraulic cutter available. That's the 2 spare oil channel on small arm with quick connection. For the bucket, that's hydraulic connection. Now unlock. That's locking, unlocking, lock. That's hydraulic attachment. Let's open the cabin. Here, locking, unlock, pushing, turn it, unlock. Inside have this plastic decoration, no screen. The window can be slide open. Here have this foam, yeah, can peel it off. That's protecting. And side door open. Here we have 2 receiver, cooler with fan inside. And the rotation. Rear side, this GPS is only decoration, no have wire power, only decoration. Yeah. So rear LED and counterweight metal block. On top, this cover can open. After open, that's the battery chamber. So 3S battery, and on the rear side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 channel valve. That's the servo on top. Under there is a valve. And side door open. Here we have the pump and discharging line. So oil tank is here, that's the filling port. This, actually it's only metal pipe chimney, so now it's only a decoration. Oil tank here, later we will see there is an oil level. Steel metal bar, this door can open. And on top, this position, we can see that's the rotation. Inside it's a motor, under there is a gearbox. So all from a valve, all the holes coming here, connecting with shining metal bar, metal pipe. It's copper pipe, painting silver color. It's coating, electric coating. So from this position, we have all the small arm, middle arm, middle arm hose is from down here. All these functions, hydraulic one, 2 attachments functions. It's all manual quick connection from here. And the middle arm can be disconnected. This manual disassembles the pin. And here, that's the LED plug, keep rotation. This rotation is very quiet. So from this position, we can fill up hydraulic oil from here, and that's the oil level from the glass, transparent. And pushing down, cover it back. Warning light can be controlled, changing different flashing. And on the arm and cabin, yeah, check, we have LED, no, here blocked, this side. LED switch off, on, circulating. So cabin here no have, yeah. Only top is this protecting bar, LED on the arm, and here right side of the body. Start the sound. Here coming the rotation sound. Drive sound. Start the pump, hydraulic sound. Demolition, long arm, moving a little slower than normal digging. Yeah? That's the middle arm angle, rising, lowering. Very smooth control. All the arm out, reaching forward. Now it can lift it itself. Yeah. Rotation back. Lifting from the side. Already. Rear side bottom already touching. So here we can see this. That's the all metal track spring for the idle wheel. It's steel rollers. Top return roller. This frame is CNC making one, aluminum one, and with the steel drum wheel. Here inside it's steel hardened gears inside. For this demolition excavator, it is ready to run with Paladin EV Lite radio, and now only have 3 in stock. And hurry up if you like this one. Welcome to my oliverhobby.com website to choose your favorite RC models. See you, gentlemen.